Hello everyone. All right. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to create a workflow which process the document, Word document or any kind of document from Google Drive and store its embeddings into Supabase. And we can use any model, embedding model to do this process. And after storing the embeddings in Supabase, we use that embeddings and we can do chat Q&A chat as well to ask a question and answer from that particular document. For this, first I need to show you the Supabase storage. Here, this was the table which I am using document emitting. As you can see here, nothing is available in this table. Now, I have created a workflow which basically trigger the Google Drive node and it downloads that particular file. Here is that file, project documentation. It looks like this type. You can do any type of documentation or any doc, you can use it. After that, it basically stored into Supabase vector embeddings table, which I have shown you already. And for storing that, it uses some models like embedding models. Here I have used Ollama, which is free to use. You can download it in your command or console as well. Let me show you by testing this workflow. When I have tested, it triggers that Google Drive. Now it processing that this particular document and downloading. After downloading, it store to Supabase, but not directly. It use embedding models, that is Ollama. You can use any model like Gemini, Cloudy, and GPT as well. And here we have added some default data loader and recursive text splitter because these are used to format the type of data we have to storing. Here you can see after refreshing, yes, all vector embeddings have been stored. Here are the embeddings vector, its metadata, its content, and UID. Now, after storing this node Supabase vector store, we will using in this Q&A chat here, Supabase vector, where we also using embedding Ollama. This node is embedding the questions, and as per that similarity of that embeddings from retrieving to Supabase vector, it fetch, and after fetching it transfer to it. And we have using open router chat model. Inside that open router chat model, we have used DeepSeek R1, which is free to use. Let me show you here. Just open the chat and what involves after hitting, basically when chat message received node transfer that questions to this node, and this node is basically passed that to Ollama, bottom to up. This Ollama embedding that questions, it find that accurate answer, similar answer as per that questions from Supabase. Then it retrieve from there to question and answer node, and from here it uses open router chat model, which is basically formatting that questions into answer. Here you will see the response we get. This project involves setting up Grafana dashboard and monitoring sensor devices in Blackcoffer application using InfluxDB. You can use here any type of model. First we need to configure the open router as well, and the same process is applied here in embedding Ollama, which you have run locally. After running locally, you need to just configure it, and which model you are using, basically embeddings the text. So here I am using Nomic embed text latest, which is a lightweight model, and this is the workflow. So here you can refresh it here as well and ask some another question like when we hit enter, this question is basically gone to this embedding Ollama, then it embeds and it retrieved from Supabase vector store. From there, it transfer that in this node and this Q&A node, and it proper framing that answers, which is retrieved from Supabase, and give response from this open router chat model. And this is the interface node when chat message received. Same, it gives answer. You can hide here as well. And what configuration we have used? Basically, this is the test workflow trigger node. This is the Google Drive. Here, it's simply you need to configure your Google Drive account by authing, and from here list you can see the available list which is available in your folder, specific folder. This is the Supabase configuration you need to configure. Then you just need to mention insert documents and which table you gonna used. So I am here using document embeddings, this table, so we need to mention that. And here bottom embeddings, which model we will use to embed the text and store it. So here embeddings, then after that the document means the default data loader and text splitter. This is the workflow. Two workflows basically. This workflow we need to just start one time if any document is updated here. So this will trigger it out and will update into Supabase. And after updating, if we chat in this model, so it will give answer with that updated documentation. Thank you.